Grandma's garden was a magical place. The peacock danced with such glowing grace. The stars seemed to shine on its feathered wings. In the garden, joy and wonder it brings. The little bird flew high, singing her song. Dreams of childhood carried happiness along. The peacock smiled, the bird joined the dance. In childhood memories, every night a chance. Grandma's tales held love so pure. In her stories, beauty and life and joy. Touch your dreams, paint the skies. In Grandma's wisdom, life's treasure lies. Grandma's tale